Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Secure your Clash of Clans progress instantly by linking it to Facebook. This simple step ensures your village is always backed up, protecting all your hard-earned progress and valuable resources. Imagine never losing your top-tier base or losing access to your clan. Connecting takes just a few moments and offers incredible peace of mind. It's a smart move for any dedicated player, guaranteeing your game is safe for years to come. Before we dive in, let's make sure you're fully prepared to connect your accounts. First, confirm you have an active Facebook profile you wish to link with your game. Next, open your Clash of Clans app and ensure it's updated to the newest version available. This prevents any technical glitches. A quick check of your app store will confirm this, setting you up for a smooth, hassle-free connection process. Now for the main event, connecting your accounts right within the game. Launch Clash of Clans and find the settings cogwheel icon, typically in the bottom right corner. Inside Settings, look for the Connect or Login option associated with Facebook. It's usually quite prominent. Tap it, and a pop-up will appear, guiding you through the authorization process. Simply approve it to complete the link. Once you've followed the steps, it's crucial to confirm your connection is successful. Head back to the game settings. The Facebook button should now display Connected or your Facebook profile picture. If it doesn't, try fully closing and reopening Clash of Clans and the Facebook app. Remember, you can only link one village per Facebook account, so avoid attempting to link an already saved game. Persistence is key if it doesn't work instantly. Congratulations, your Clash of Clans village is now fully secured and connected to Facebook. This means your progress is safe, easily recoverable, and accessible across multiple devices. Plus, you can now effortlessly share your epic raids or base layouts with friends, enhancing your social gaming experience. Don't delay. If you haven't yet, connect your game to Facebook today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with complete game security and seamless sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.